Lesson 3-8, Part 2, Estimate or Exact Answer. Estimate or exact answer. The school cafeteria prepares 3,210 lunches each week. The same number of lunches are prepared 5 days a week. How many lunches are prepared each day? In this first example, I know that I need an exact answer because the question asks how many lunches. So I know I will find an exact number. Let's read the second example. Bob has to read a 229-page book. He has 8 days to finish it. About how many pages should he read each day? In this one, I know I need to find an estimate because it says about how many. So that means I do not have to find the exact number. If a question asks for an exact answer, then you need to go ahead and do the math to figure out what the answer is. You need to solve the problem. If it's an estimate, then you need to use your strategies to round and find an estimate. Let's look at another example. Sam bought a board that was 72 inches long to make bookshelves. He wants to cut the board into 3 equal pieces and use each one for a shelf. How long will each shelf be? I know that I need to find an exact answer because it asks how long will each shelf be. So that means I need to do the math. In this case, I need to take 72 and divide it by 3. So my final answer would be 24 inches long. Let's look at another example. Carl's mother baked 62 mini muffins for his class. There are 18 people in Carl's class. About how many mini muffins should each person get? I know that I need to find an estimate because it uses the word about how many. That tells me to estimate. All right, so let's see. If we have 62 muffins and 18 people, let's go ahead and round these to the nearest 10. So I'm going to look at 18 and I'm going to round that to 20. And then I'm going to look at our dividend, which is 62. And 62 is close to 60, so I'll round it to 60. Now I can just do 60 divided by 20, which is 3. So I would say about how many mini muffins should each person get? About 3 muffins. And that's just our estimate. Today, you learned when to make an estimate and when to find the exact answer.